Hello, welcome to Disraka channel. So guys, I'm discuss a topic about that how we can checking for page views on your particular website. Suppose how many people are watching my pages, particular page count. So that is how we can show to the particular users and my page count purpose. So this will be adding your particular website. We have the two websites are there for adding the page count. One is called visitor hitcounter.com. Second one will be webfreecounter.com. These are the websites. Here starting count will be here and here also will be same. What is the start count? Suppose if your website will be reaching for 5,000, 6,000 page count, you can add your page count will be same into here. Each page up to your footer will be common option. Where up to your footer will be common option. See this one. Now we'll go to the course. Footer is the common option. About. Footer is the common option. So above footer, I can add the page count option. Also, you can add by here also page count code. So where you can add the page count will be common. Here I have the social code here. I'm adding the page count will be here is this. Now, first of all, how you can optimize your page code option? That's nothing but your page count. First of all, select your website link. Add here. My website link will be starting from 5500 onwards. Page views, unique visitors. So there is a counter type is the only page views or unique visitors also. But I'm looking for most of them will be page views. After this one, visibility purpose. Based on the code, we have checked for visibility also. Here, visibility purpose, I'm giving this option. Get your visitor count option will be here. Here will be small change. When you click this link, where you can go to the particular link will be here. They go to the link will be clicked. They go to the contact us page. Simple change. First, copy the code where we can using for Word document. In this, when count will be clicked, where you go to is your website. But I am given by the my website link. Which one? Contact us. These are services will be completely free. Copy the code. Next, we can log in for cPanel option. So I'm logging the cPanel option. So, sir, I don't know cPanel, how we can add the code that is only for understand developer, the part. So what we can add this code, copy, where exact your code, go to the your particular website file. So where exact file will be here, just check the file and to go to footer option, our exact your social icons. Social icon. Save change and refresh. They can visible by the page count option will be here. So they will be show the small icon, little bit changing purpose. So I'm changing the code option. Based on social icon, the icon will be showing for very small one. So now again coming from here. When click other pages, the page count will be show to the page views. So how many views is done? They can show will be here is the option. Suppose we can show the footer option. We have to change here. Save change here is the option. Suppose we can show will be here. We can add this option will be particular code. We can show the particular visitors. So here small option will be given break. So they give the visitor count will be here. Not only for, you can give this here also, you can add the visitor count will be here. Simple logic. Suppose I'm changing the pattern. Where exactly? In quotes. Here is the page count option. So if we go to any option will be here, candidates. Here the check for page count will be here. So any color you can change in this. So I am changing only for that color to visibility purpose. Here is the option. So this is the we can add in by the visitor count on your particular website. There's nothing but your exact visitor hit count. Here also same, enter the URL and style. You're starting from 0 or a particular count, and size will be small or large. You can add it. Here you can changing the your icon also. Here in the visitor time, you can add your particular icon also. You have to change. That is the very flexible. They given by here also. Large page views, generated code understanding. Most of the people they can't understanding code first. So first of all, understanding code is important. Here, see this one. This is a complete code. Here, what we can give by visitor count. Here, what we can changing for your website. When people click the visitor link, they go to your particular website. Here, title. Okay, image src. Here you can changing for image also. Alt. Image src for the purpose. You can add the favicon option. Simple, you can changing for favicon thing. I'll show you both in your particular website. So this code we can't change. Same, copy, exact code. Save change option and refresh. Here your own logo also will be visible. Here will be own logo also will be visible. If you're not required, we can remove it. So we can remove, or we have the option will be given is called option name is here. I'll show you. So I will be stop that link. Only I can visible by one link option. So here is the page count option will be given in this particular option. So any particular query about this option, you can contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. So any particular query. So if you give any kind of break, there is a break will be given by the bracket and BRI hyphen will be here. So this is the code we can give to the particular customer in the page count option. So this will be without Google Analytics. We can check only for page view count, nothing but website visitor count only. But when you're generating time, there are two questions I will ask: page views, unique visitor also. Which is important, we can add the particular things. This both website will be free, but only changing for your website link. What is happening when you click here, they go to your particular website link option. But I have to go to contact us, give the contact us option. So these all will be particularly important. When your logo will be clicked, they go to your website. So these are the particular code we can optimize your particular checking for visitor count for the page views purpose. So in a code, if you require your particular website, you can contact my channel. I definitely will be generate code and send to you along with your logo also. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe our channel.